Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to present our research titled Can Artificial Intelligence Enhance Financial Inclusion? Evidence from a quasi-natural experiment of China's new generation AI innovation and development pilot zone. I'm Zhifei Li. We divided into 4 parts. First is introduction. Second is literature and mechanisms. Third is research design and results. Last is conclusion. First, introduction. Financial inclusion plays a crucial role in supporting households, SMEs, and vulnerable social groups by ensuring access to affordable and diverse financial services, while China's digital financial inclusion index has improved significantly over the past decade. Many constraints persist, particularly information asymmetry, high service thresholds, and uneven digital infrastructure. At the same time, rapid advances in artificial intelligence, such as machine learning, big data analytics, and natural language processing, are reshaping the financial landscape. AI has the potential to break traditional constraints in financial services by reducing information asymmetry, lowering service costs, and enhancing risk management. However, a key gap in the literature remains. We still know very little about how AI development actually affects financial inclusion, through which mechanisms, and natural experiment based on the role of China's National AI Innovation and Development Pilot Zone beginning in 2029. Second, literature and mechanisms. So let's talk about what existing literature now shows. Previous studies show that AI can enhance productivity, efficiency, and risk control. In finance, AI helps reduce information asymmetries, expand credit access, improve credit scoring, and automatic finance services. However, existing work most stress financial inclusion as policy driven and focus on broad digitalization rather than AI-specific mechanisms. So our study makes 3 key contributions. First is that we provide causal evidence on the effect of AI development on financial inclusion by leverage rollout of AI pilot zones using a DID design. Second, we analyze internal mechanisms. Third is that we explored moderating effects. And our mechanism framework consists of 3 direct effects, 3 mediating channels, and 2 moderating factors. Follow the structure of PowerPoint. So first is let's talk about direct effects. How AI improve financial inclusion. AI can directly influence the 3 dimensions of digital inclusive finance through the usage depth, digitalization, and coverage breadth. So based on this, we propose our hypothesis 1. AI significantly enhance digital inclusive finance, especially in usage depth and digitalization. Second, on mediation mechanisms, we test 3 mediation channels. First, green technical innovation. Second, education investment. And third, science and technology investment. Thus, our hypothesis 2 is AI improves financial inclusion through green innovation, education investment, and science and technology investment. Last is moderating mechanisms. 2 contextual factors shape the strengths of AI's impacts. First is foreign trade dependency, and second is environmentation regulation. Therefore, our hypothesis 3 is trade dependence strengthens AI's impact on inclusion while environmental regulation weakens it. Let's come to the part 3, research design and results. Our analysis using panel data from 277 prefectural level Chinese cities from 2025 to 2023, covering the entire rollout period of AI pilot zones. The key explanatory variable is whether the city was designed as an AI pilot zone in a given year. We implement a two-way fixed effects difference in differences, a model to identify the causal impact. The dependent variable is the Digital Inclusive Financial Index from Peking University, which includes coverage breadth, usage depth, and degree digitalization. We include extensive control variables related to economic structure, facial capacity, education, pollution, and human capital. There's also some additional models. We further estimate mediation models, moderating models, and heterogeneity models. Robustness checks including PSM-DID, plausible test, and lagged effect. Here comes the result. First is the baseline effect. Based on the DID results, we show that AI development significantly increased digital financial inclusion at the 1% level. The largest improvement occurred in digitalization and usage depth, and the coverage breadth shows no significant improvement. These results strongly support hypothesis 1 and confirm the direct effect of AI on financial inclusion. And second, for the lag effect and parallel trains, the two-period and two-period lag coefficients remains statistically significant demonstrating persistent and long-term policy impact and no pro-train differences, supporting the DID identification assumption. For the robustness checks, we found that multiple robustness tests, including peaceful test, PSM-DID alternative clustering, and visualization, consistently confirm the reliability of our test. For the mechanism results, first for the mediation analysis, all three mediation show significant mitigation effect. Here is the green innovation significantly stimulated by AI and in turn enhances financial inclusion. Education investment increases after AI pilot implementation and positively impact inclusion. Science and technology investment also raises significantly and contribute to financial inclusion. Those funding support hypothesis 2 and demonstrate that AI works through for the development pathways. Second, for the model rating analysis, we find environment regulation significantly weakens the positive effect of AI and train dependency significantly improves AI's benefits. This confirms hypothesis 3. For the heterogeneity analysis, we first analyzed regional heterogeneity. We found that AI has stronger effects in eastern regions, coastal cities, and urban agglomerations. This likely reflects better infrastructure, talent pools, and digital readiness. Second, for the resource endowment heterogeneity, we found that AI has stronger effects in non-provincial capital cities, non-resource-based cities, and smaller cities. Those findings suggest AI helps undeserved or less developed cities leapfrog traditional financial barriers. For the policy batch heterogeneity, the first batch of pilot zone shows the strongest impact, followed by the second batch. The third batch shows no significant effect. This may reflect early mover advantage, policy resources concentration, and diminishing margin effects over time. Lastly, conclusion part. Here is our four main conclusions. Our study provides strong causal evidence that first, AI significantly improves financial inclusion. Second, green innovation, education investment, and science and technology investment are the key mediation channels. Third, trade openness strengthens while environmental regulation weakens AI's impact. And last, there is substantial regional, source-based, and temporal heterogeneity in AI's effects. Here are some policy recommendations. Based on those findings, we propose four main recommendations. First, deepen AI applications in finance. Second, improve digital infrastructure and regional balances, especially for central and western regions, smaller cities, and the non-agglomeration areas. Third, promote green and technical environment systems. Last, coordinate environmental and trade policies to ensure AI-driven financial inclusion can develop without excessive regulatory burden while promoting cross-border digital finance collaboration. Thanks for your listening.